Over the last month and a half since I've been at the course, I've
Yeah.
got 14 leads, I think it is, and probably close about nine of them now. Hey, I'm Michael from Rayman's Property Services. We specialize in pre-sale exterior cleaning, getting the houses back on the market, and maximizing your end sale price.
Amazing. What problem did you have that made you reach out?
I was a bit different. So when I first started, I was just sorting out the business and I kept seeing the With You program coming up as I was
Mm,
just um, doing a lot of study for the business. And I thought, you know what, instead of going down the Done For You program, I thought, let me just dive in and learn everything myself.
hmm
And I
Love
think
it.
it's the best thing, because now
Amazing.
I understand all the processes.
If you had any, what hesitations did you have before buying, and then what got you over the line at the end?
I think I was pretty straightforward into it.
Yeah, cool. Did you have any hesitations seeing Brandon all the time and being like, what's this guy
Eh?
doing?
Nah, not really, because I like people who are straightforward like that.
Yeah, love.
And like a lot of people just shit talk, and then he's
Mm,
actually doing the work and getting the people the results, and you can see it from all the testimonials that's happened.
hmm Yeah, amazing. Tell me about your like what's changed within your business. Tell me about those results you were telling me about. Give me some stats. What are the numbers? Give me it all.
So before I was just doing like boosted posted on Facebook,
Mm,
and you just get a lot of shit kickers, people just interested, but just want a price and see, and then you don't get any replies back. So the lead generation form has been wonderful. It's probably 70% I convert now. Over the last, what is it, a month and a half since I've been at the course, I've
yeah.
got 14 leads, I think it is, and probably close about nine of them now or so.
You so before you joined like our program, were you like getting many people come through at all?
Yeah, I was getting quite a few, but I was only closing maybe like two a week, or maybe not even two a week, maybe two a fortnight or once a week, which
And
is
now what are you closing, did you say?
probably closing two to three
Yeah.
from the leads, because the leads are less leads but more quality
Yeah.
leads.
So high quality leads, people who actually would want to hire you,
Yeah,
instead of
100%.
people that are just curious, I
Yep.
guess. Yeah,
And it just
amazing.
saves me so much time. Because before I was just always on my phone. My missus is like, "Why are you always on your phone? Spend time with your kids." And now I can actually spend time with the kids.
Love.
Yeah, so
Amazing.
it's so good.
Well, I
Mm.
guess that sort of answers my next question, but like what effect has it had on you personally or professionally so far?
Oh, yeah. So more quality time with the kids, more family
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
Can go see my parents without stressing about being on my phone all the time.
Yeah.
And
Amazing.
instead of being on Facebook messaging these people, it's just you just give them a call, sort it out there, and
Yeah.
then go from there. And it's so much easier, so much better. I think I probably have about 60, 70% free time because I'm not
Amazing.
always just stressing about, oh, I need to text this person, I need to get back to this person, back forward, back forward.
Mm.
It's so good.
Yeah, love. Um, what have you valued learning the most and appreciated the most about like the workshops, the program, the support, the
Mm.
calls, etc.?
So, because I'm still FIFO, so whenever I'm at work, I just jump in a call and I just sit there and
Mm.
just listen to everyone's problems and just apply it to my own. And I think that's the biggest value I had because on lunchtime, I normally just headphones in, and now I can just learn and learn, and it's just helped me grow the business so much more, especially on the landing pages and meta ads. And now I'm trying to dive into Google ads, which I'm pretty fascinated in, because it's
Yeah.
not content based, where my whole business is content based.
Mm.
Mm.
Amazing. Last question. If anyone was unsure about booking a call or they were on the fence, what would you say to them?
You got nothing to lose. It's all just wins, wins, wins. You go through the page, you'll just see all wins, and just be involved, do as much as you can. Even if you're busy, you have to just keep going because it's only going to prosper you at the end of the day. And
Mm.
I can just say for myself, it's been 100% worth it, every single dollar.